Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
And good evening, West Michigan. We're taking a look at Storm Track Live here, which is a lot quieter than it was earlier on this evening. Really, we're just left behind with a few snow showers targeting the lakeshore. It's now transitioning from a system snow, a system that clipped our region, back to lake effect. And as we see that lake effect continue, it's really going to target counties like Allegan, Van Buren, and even portions of western Kalamazoo. It's not much, though. We're not seeing that heavy banding take shape yet. So as far as being out and about tonight, going to be relatively okay. There are still some slick spots, though, on area roadways, especially 196, that continues to see these snow showers. It's why a winter weather advisory is staying in effect until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. This was trimmed back a bit. Newaygo and Kent County no longer a part of it. Again, really turning into a lakeshore system. Grand total starting to see some of them trickle in. We've gotten a few reports between about 2.5 and 4 inches of snow. Grand totals likely upwards of 5 to 6 inches for a handful of locations at the lakeshore. Lakeshore doing a little bit better in terms of feels like temperature, though, feeling like 12 in Holland as well as in South Haven. Inland, though, holding out of the single digits, already below 0 in Fremont. Tonight we'll see a low of 11 degrees in Grand Rapids. Mostly cloudy skies continue. I do think there's a chance we see maybe just a few more snowflakes, but all in all, going to be a dry stretch of weather for us. Thursday is starting off dry. Again, the advisory expiring at 7 in the morning as we build into the afternoon, cloudy, and then I do think those winds will turn and we'll get clipped by just a few more flurries. Nothing, again, too substantial. Most of these out of here pretty quickly. Friday looking like a confidently dry day for us, though. So looking at our future cast from here on out, again, it's not a lot more snow by any means. I mentioned Allegan, Van Buren, and portions of Kalamazoo. I think we could see pockets upwards of about 2 more inches of snow, but the remainder of us should see about a trace to a ½ inch at the absolute most. When we look at those temperatures, they're going to be cold as we kick off 2026. We're looking at a high of 20 tomorrow, mid-20s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then we rebound a bit back to those mid-30s, which is actually a bit above average for this time of the year. And with that warm-up also comes a really quiet pattern. The only other chance that we have for precipitation in this 8-day forecast actually comes Sunday into Monday. We're likely going to get clipped by another system, and with those temperatures below freezing for the most part, it should fall in the form of snow, but otherwise not a whole lot to talk about. Again, mid-30s will be the name of the game as we move into that first full week of January. That could favor some melting snow here and there, but not too bad. Sometimes this is the coldest time of the year for us, so we'll take what we can get.
It's nice to have a quiet bit after all the chaos we've had over the last couple of days.
We'll take it for sure.
Right.